I'm making a cinnamon roll made of Play-Doh, super Play-Doh.
Where did you get that?
At the dollar store.
Yeah? What is that stuff called?
Super Putty.
Super Putty? Okay, I want you to show everybody how you make that cinnamon roll. Okay?
You roll it.
Okay. You rolling that up really good?
Yep.
Okay. Boy, that looks fun. Oh, you're good at that. Okay, now what?
Then you have to roll some more.
Roll it some more. Then what?
You roll, 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 roll.
Now show it to me. Show me your cinnamon roll.
It's like a heart. No.
Yum, yum. Okay, what do you tell everybody?
Bye, everyone.
Tell them to give you what? Thumbs up?
Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Thanks for doing the video today. Give thumbs up.